Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How to sign in Gmail in Google. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Google, search for Google and official website. Click on it and you can see sign in. Click on it. Enter your email. Enter your password. You can see next. Next, click on it. You can see sign in Google account. If you find this video helpful, make sure hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.